Welcome to the Explainer! Today, we're taking a seriously cool journey into the invisible web that connects our entire world. It's literally this invisible force all around you, constantly firing data back and forth through the air, and even through massive cables buried deep underground. We are going to explore the incredible world of computer networks.
So, quick question for you. Have you ever paired wireless headphones to your phone so you could listen to music? Or, hopped on the Wi-Fi at home to play a game? If you have done either of these things, guess what? You are already part of a network. It really is that simple. But what exactly does that mean? Well, at its core, a network is basically just a collection of computing devices connected to each other. They can be plugged into each other with physical wires or connected completely wirelessly. Think of it like a giant digital conversation. A network is just a group of devices linked up so they can talk to one another, share information, and basically work as a team.
Now, you might be wondering, why even bother networking devices in the first place? Well, it's incredibly practical. By linking devices together, users can easily share hardware like printers and scanners. Imagine a huge school computer lab. It'd be totally crazy to buy every single computer its own printer, right? Instead, they all just share one over the network. Networking also lets us share software, communicate instantly with each other, and for sure, share a single internet connection across multiple phones, TVs, and laptops.
Section 1. PAN, your personal bubble. Okay, let's dive into this.
We're going to look at networks by zooming in on the smallest geographical scale first and then work our way out. This first one is called a Personal Area Network, or PAN. A PAN is the absolute smallest type of network. It connects devices that are really close to a user, usually no more than 10 meters away. You can kind of think of a PAN as this tiny, invisible 10-meter bubble that just magically follows you around wherever you go. And the most common way devices in a PAN talk to each other, through glowing, invisible waves of Bluetooth.
So, when you sync up your smartwatch to your phone, connect your wireless earbuds, or use your phone to kick off a smart cleaning robot right in front of you, you are creating a personal area network. The only catch, because it's a PAN, it only works when you are physically close. If you walk too far away, that 10-meter bubble pops and your connection drops completely.
Section 2. LAN, connecting your space. Let's zoom out a bit. We're leaving that personal 10-meter bubble and expanding our scale to cover an entire room or even a whole building. Welcome to the local area network, also known as a LAN. A LAN lets devices communicate over a small geographic area. This is typically a single site, like your whole house, an office building, or your school campus. Instead of just relying on Bluetooth, a LAN uses much stronger Wi-Fi signals and physical wired Ethernet cables to keep everything chatting across a larger space. The absolutely crucial point here is understanding the difference between that tiny PAN and this larger LAN. Think about a smart light bulb in your bedroom. You can switch that bulb on or off from the kitchen, the living room, basically anywhere on your home's local network. You don't have to be standing right next to it for it to work. Because it covers the whole site, it's a LAN. Section 3. WAN, reaching the world. Ready for our biggest zoom out yet?
We are expanding from a single building all the way out to entire cities, countries, and literally the whole planet. This colossal scale is called a wide area network, or WAN. A WAN communicates over a huge geographical area. Like when a bank needs to connect its branches all across Bangladesh, or a massive international company wants to link up its offices in Dhaka, London, and New York, they use a WAN. Basically, a WAN is usually just made up of several smaller LANs that are connected together over super vast distances.
And honestly, here is the coolest part. The biggest wide area network of all? It's the internet. No way, right? The exact same internet you use every single day to watch videos and play games is actually just one massive globe-spanning WAN. It connects the world using data that bounces off satellites in space and travels at the speed of light through fiber optic cables running deep beneath the ocean floor. What's really fascinating here is the spatial relationship of everything we just talked about. It's like a giant puzzle or nesting dolls. Your tiny personal area network, the PAN, exists inside your school's local area network, the LAN. And that LAN is connected to the massive, worldwide, wide area network, the WAN. It's literally networks all the way down. Before we move on, let's lock these into our memory really quick. PAN is just a few meters using Bluetooth. LAN covers a single building using Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and WAN covers multiple cities or the whole world using high-speed fiber cables. Take a good mental snapshot of this, because
Section 4. Let's test your knowledge. It is time for a quick test. Let's see how much of a networking pro you've become.
I'm going to give you a scenario, and I want you to literally shout the answer at the screen. Ready? Here's scenario number 1. A smartwatch is syncing data with a nearby smartphone. Is this an example of a PAN, a LAN, or a WAN? Think about the distance and the devices. Go ahead, shout it out.
If you said PAN, you absolutely nailed it. It's a personal area network because it relies on 2 devices directly connected at a very close range, usually through Bluetooth. Awesome job. Okay, let's try one more.
Scenario number 2. All the computers in Glenrich International School share a single printer and internet connection. Pay close attention to the clues here. Multiple devices, all inside one single school building. What kind of network is this? PAN, LAN, or WAN?
spot on. It is a LAN, a local area network. Because the hardware is owned by the school and shared across multiple devices on a single physical site, it fits the LAN definition perfectly. You guys are crushing it.
We've gone on quite a journey today. We started at the microscopic scale, looking at invisible Bluetooth waves connecting devices right in our pockets. Then we zoomed out to the buildings we live and learn in, connected by Wi-Fi. And finally, we zoomed all the way out to the globe-spanning reach of fiber optic cables that power the entire internet.
So, I want to leave you with this final thought. Just look around the room you're sitting in right now. What invisible networks are surrounding you at this very second? Is there a PAN buzzing between your watch and your phone? A LAN beaming Wi-Fi to your laptop? Next time you connect a device, you'll know exactly what kind of invisible web you're weaving. Keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll catch you on the next explainer.